Every breakthrough in model intelligence for coding encourages us to rethink what development should look like. Gemini 3 is our latest such model advancement. So, we went out to build the next step change of an IDE. Introducing Google Antigravity, a new way of working for this next era of agentic intelligence.
Let's download it. Go to Google and search it for Google Antigravity. And click on the first link. Download for Mac. You can download it for Windows and Linux also. So let's download the Apple Silicon one. Now it's downloaded. Let's install it. So installation, just put in a application folder and it will start installing. Installation is finished. Let's open it and check it out. Here is the anti-gravity. Just open it. Just do next and start fresh. I'm a dark guy, so dark. Just keep it simple and sign in with the Google. You can read term and condition, and after that put on click on the next, and after that you see the main screen. On the right side you can see the box, input box, where you can interact with the too many models like Gemini 3 Pro and other cloud models, and you can interact with AI for planning and making apps or websites. Let's open a folder and start creating. Click on trust the authors, and yes, I trust the authors. And after that here is the input prompt section. You can interact with the AI from this. On top right corner there is a Chrome logo. Let's click on it. You can test your app directly in Chrome. So you have to just download an extension, and after that you can do it. Let's learn from the Google Antigravity official YouTube channel. So here are some videos to learn.
Space. We're going to be working locally instead of in SSH, so we'll press open folder. And let's create a new folder. We'll just call it flight tracker. And today we're going to be building a flight tracker app where a user can add their flight number, and it will directly integrate with your Google Calendar to basically add that flight information to your calendar directly. Build me a flight lookup Next.js web app where the user can put in a flight number, and the app gives you the start time, end time, time zones, start location, and end location of the flight. For now, use a mock API that returns a list of matching flights. Display the search results under the form input. So it's going to start, and remember the setting that we chose for the agent to be making decisions on the user's behalf? Because we chose that auto setting, this means that the agent is capable of running terminal commands on our behalf without our approval. Now, if this command was something a bit more sophisticated, we want to build that trust with you as the user, and so we'll obviously notify you to approve or deny that specific request. It looks like the agent finished the code generation part, so now it's going to actually run the dev server so that we can check this out locally, and it wants to launch the browser. So let's go ahead and press setup. You'll press install extension. So let's go ahead and add this to Chrome. So what's really cool about Antigravity is that because of this browser integration, it can actually test the code that it just wrote all on its own. So here, we just generated a flight tracker, and now with that blue little cursor, it's moving its cursor around the screen to actually test our application. And in this case, it's adding in American Airlines flight 123. It's testing some invalid states. And it's basically going to deliver us a couple of screen recordings and a screenshot.
Now let's learn Google Nano Banana Pro for UI UX for your web apps. Now let's start with the official YouTube channel.
We are going to generate an image of a light mode website designed to showcase a variety of plants. After prompting, the agent is going to go off and start using Nano Banana Pro to generate a website. And as you can see from the first try, this looks pretty good. I just want to change a couple of things. I'm going to select this area here, and instead of saying bring nature home, I want it to say bring plants home. And I also want this button to be a darker green. Next, I'm going to review my feedback, and now I'm going to leave a comment here to update the design with my comments. And now the agent is going to incorporate my feedback and change those specific parts of the image. So instead of generating a brand new image, you can actually just change whatever you want. Make sure you try it out in Google Antigravity today. Happy building!
If you want to learn more, then I will put the link of the Google Antigravity YouTube channel. Just go through it.